Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about finding the right Facebook group to promote your products. Let's get started. Facebook groups are created by its owners to welcome Facebook users who are interested in a specific niche, and they have created that group to create an engaging community. You may discover tons of Facebook groups in your area if you search locally or in any city in the world. Promoting your products in different Facebook groups can be beneficial for your business. There are different rules that every community implements. You just need to take note of what the group allows in terms of product promotions. When you have chosen the right groups to share your promotions, the group members who will discover your content will begin to notice your products, and later, they might become one of your loyal customers who prefer to choose your brand over your competitors. Next, search for keywords that are relevant to your niche. That way, you can discover groups that are beneficial to your promotions. You can search for keywords that your target customers are more likely to use and search for content inside groups that they are interested in. For example, if your brand's products are supplements for bodybuilding, then you can search for groups about fitness. If your products are women's or men's shoes or clothes, then you can search for groups that are related to fashion. So the keywords that you will use will depend on what your product niche is. Next, look for groups in your city. To target customers in your local area or in a different city, you can use the city filter under groups. Just type in the location or the city where you want to discover groups in that area. Next, start joining the group. Once you have found the right Facebook groups where you can promote your products, ask permission to join the group. Private groups are your best option to target audiences who are dedicated to the groups that they are part of, and you won't find spam content inside private groups since group admins implement a strict rule to keep their group free of spammers. Some groups have the option to allow you to choose how to join their group. You can join using your profile account or your Facebook page. When promoting your products, you can choose to share content as your Facebook page. You can still view this option, choose how to interact, even if you choose to join as your Facebook page. So you can choose to post content, comment on posts, and react as your profile or your Facebook page. When joining groups, read the group's description and see if the group is one of the groups that fits your brand. Then check if the members of the group are active. You can check the posts if someone shares content recently. Also, check if the members are engaged in the posts shared by the other members as well. It won't be beneficial for your brand if you promote products in groups where the members are inactive. Before sharing your product promotions, you must browse the content shared inside the group. You need to check if the other members are sharing posts where the items that they are selling belong to the same niche as your product promotions. If you notice that the products shared by the other members are random, you won't be able to target the right audiences who are interested in your product promotions inside that group. So keep on looking for niche-targeted communities. When you have found the right Facebook groups to focus on sharing your promotions, keep in mind not to take over or steal the spotlight from the other sellers' posts. You must respect the other sellers' product promotions, so avoid sharing your promotions in their posts' comments section. Now that you know about finding the right Facebook group to promote your products, we can now proceed to the next chapter, selling on Marketplace. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.